Yeah, hi, Mr. Prashant Barik. How are you? I hope all are well in your family in this difficult time of COVID. Right, we all just cross out from this COVID only, in COVID problem only, my whole family. Anyway, so I wish that you and your family should be safe. Okay, so this is presented by me. Myself is Sanjeev Ratra, Director of Service and Private Limited. So what we are talking about the P6 LED video wall, outdoor video wall, which is required at Haldia, West Bengal. Okay. So let me, before start this product, I would like to tell you something about myself. You should be know about me and my organization, what we are, what we are doing. In just very brief, I'll tell you very quickly about this. The beginning of my life in 1987, I was an Air India employee and I left Air India and started this business 1987. On that time, I was struggling with just a turnover of rupees 1 to 10 lakh turnover. I was selling and repairing of basic OLED projectors for my home. Today, if you talk about turnover, is my 25 CR. And six offices we have across India and one in Singapore. We have 19,000 plus valuable customer with us. And this is the head office of my office, Okla, Delhi, New Delhi. If you this is dedicated manpower of 65 soldiers what we have, and this is the Savi Excellence Awards. These are a lot of awards what we won. We participated in a lot of exhibitions. This is a very good experience center what we created recently in our Okla office, which is around 4,000 square feet area. So there we have make all the huddle rooms, board rooms, meeting rooms, your education centers, home theaters. All this we developed over here. And not only this, if you talk about, we have make a video wall also for you, the P6 video wall, P2.5 video wall, and we make the standee also of the video walls over there, and all the products are ready for display over there. If you are visiting sometime to Delhi, I request you to visit my Okla office and have this. Today, people talk to me as an audiovisual coach because I have more than 30 year vast experience in AV industries. So I designed the complete critical AV solutions, any kind of AV solutions required, either for your boardroom, meeting rooms, auditoriums, or whatever we design for you. Even that today in my industries, people talk to me about this. They have very high regard for me. They see me Bhishma Pitama of AV industries. So this is the recognition of my industries because I have very vast experience. So I'm writing the books now on basis of my experience. One book is coming with 51 boardrooms problem and how to solve them. Right. The other book what I'm writing is a smart video conference system. These two books are I'm writing, and these are new upcoming books. Now we talk about your products. So your product is required P6 outdoor LED video wall, right? Which is at Haldia West Bengal. So there's a general question normally people have in their mind: what is the pixel pitch required? So if you talk about pixel pitch, it's all depend on the distance. The today pixel, these are the pixel pitch which is today available in the market. Start from zero point 0.9. If you talk about zero point 0.9 pixel pitch, the view angle required from this is a video wall. The first angle should be not more than 3 feet, not less than 3 feet. अगर आप 3 feet से कम, if you view this, so the picture will be give you some hazy kind of things. So it's not required, not recommended. So as per your case, 5.9 we are talking about. So 20 feet minimum distance is required from video wall to the first person to look after from stand over there. Other general questions: how it connect and work. So this is one of the module which is 192 mm, which is P6 modules. And this is having, if you see the bulb, one bulb is a SMD bulb. In this, all the three lights, red, green, blue, all the three bulbs is in one bulb only. This is the reason it's called SMD. So this is a way: one module, two module, three module, the four modules come over here. A small become a small cabinet. In this, the power supply installed over there, the backside of working of it area. And this is the actual, after finishing this, we prepare like this. And after ready it, this is the front view and this is the back view of the module. What we're going to give it to you. Cabinet size is normally 960 by 960 mm is a cabinet size of one. Okay. Now how it connects. So this is your input source. Input source could be your computer, your media player, DVD player, Tata Sky, or any kind of input players. They all go to my video processor. My video processor take this input and it go to the, through this network cable, it go to the video wall. In the video wall, it go to the loop in loop out, like this it works. So this is a way the complete connectivity diagram is happen in this. Other question normally people have: how frame look like, because video also तैयार हो गया, because of frame what you're going to outside, how it look like. So this is a very valuable questions and normally people have. So this is a way we design the frame. This is normally the gap between this video wall and backside is normally 2 feet. This is a way we create the frame. right? On this maintenance, the maintenance person stand over there on this frame, on this platform, and do the repairing of your video walls, whatever they we want. Video wall with this frame is installed like this. So these are the 4 nut bolts which install on this frame and tight like this. Okay. Other general question people have: how to install on ground? Right. On ground, we normally install on the pole like this. This pole is basically ground on the nut through nut bolt. It's get tight, and on the top of this, because around 28 feet height of this pole, so we are using the crane, and with the help of this crane, this frame we are installing over this, and we'll get nut bolt. With the help of nut bolt, we'll tight it over here. There's a way to be installed. Okay. So one, I am showing you the 3D view on the poles. This is a way the 3D view look like. So this is a way your base, which will be ground on this ground with the help of nut bolt. Then the pole, the backside is with the platform where the people can stand and do the service of this equipment. So if we go to the next, other people, the other questions normally come in everyone minds. Is the other way to install the video wall on ground? Yes, there's a lot of other way that you can install on the grounds. So these are the way. There's a one pole, single pole, double pole installation. Even you can have back to back. So एक video wall आपका यहाँ है, second video will install on the back side. So both the way people can see this video wall. You can have ceiling mounted, you have wall mounted, you have in wall mounted. You can flush this in the in wall. You can have roof mounted. You can have F frame on the road sides. So you can have installed like this, and this is the way you can do it. And if you have a big road, then on left or right you can put 2 poles, and on that top it can install like this. So these are different view angle where you can install the video wall. So if I show you the top view of your P6 video wall, so this is a top view of your P6 video wall. If you see, this is a backside back frame which is approximately 2 feet, which will look like, and the actual view of your video wall is this. This is your pole, and the backside is a frame, above is the video wall. This is the way it is happen. Okay. So actual view after the installation, even after the ACP work also if you require. So this is the way the ACP work is happen. So this is your pole and ACP work and video will to look like just a TV kind of things. In this, I can give you the space. If you want to install any video cameras over there, I can give you this video cameras. Or if you want to install the speakers, we can install the speakers also. To if you want to give some music or some background sounds or something like that, we can do that part also. Okay, double pole installations. Now instead of single pole, we can give double pole, as you're talking about double pole on that time to me. So the way you can install on double pole, this framework and the video wall inside. There's a way, other view. We create this kind of back, this one of the cabin on the back side of the video wall on the ground also, where you can have this AC installed there. Inside we can put your all transformer, where servo or our media player and everything can be put it over here. Now rooftop installation, I'll show you some of the rooftop view where this is a view. This is the frame backside created, the top of this wall, which is not required by you, but I'm giving just for your general idea how it installed on the rooftop installation. This work like this. Okay. Now wall installations. This is the way the wall installations happen. If you want to install on the wall, as we are talking on the wall also, so this is the way the frame created. Person kill the 2 feet areas. A person can be go insides, and this is the way can be happen. Wall installations. Wall installation can be done, and this is the way it can be done. And this is technical specifications I am giving you for the P6 video walls. And this is the way the pitch is 6 mm, and LED arrangement SMD 3535 3 in 1, driver mode dynamic 1.8, duty constants. The module size is 192 mm by 192 mm. So cabinet size, if you talk about the module size, the cabinet becomes 576 mm, 76 mm, or 960 by 960. So we are giving you for your space is 960 mm by 960 mm. This is the MS cabinet. Approximately weight of the one cabinet is 45 kgs. So these are other specifications. We are giving you 6000 brightness because using in the daylight. So daylight sun rays are there, so you need a high brightness. We're giving 6000 CDM this brightness, and the view angle of this video is 140 degrees from left to right. If you see for 140 degrees, so you can have clear view angle. There's no problem at all about this. Okay. Then the color is 16.7 million colors. The power consumption is very important for you is maximum power consumption is 800 watt, and average power consumption of this 1 meter is 550 watts per meter. So if you talk about The operating life, which is important, is approximately 1 lakh. So 10 to 15 hours is no issue. 15 years, there's no problem at all. You can use this video wall, and continuous timing is 24 hours, means you can use 24 into 7 of this video wall. There's no problem. There's a IP65 waterproof. So if you any kind of rains or something like that water, there's no problem at all. It is 100% waterproof. So thank you very much. Thanks. Still, if you have any query, I think I'm able to clear your all the inquiries and everything. Still, if you have any query, please write to me and myself, Sanjeev Ratra. Email ID is already there, sanjeev@savesan.com. Mobile number is there in front of you. So if you need any kind of further clarification or this one, you can ask me anytime. So if you tell me now you're the final requirement, so I can make a BOQ and send to you, and we can start the job. So thank you very much. Thanks, and looking for your value product. Good day.